Hi, I'm Dario, a proud employee of Libraesva, and I'm here to tell you why we should win the SE Magazine Award for Best Email Security. To put in simple words, we embody innovation. From our cutting-edge technology to our ability to counteract even the most sophisticated and still unknown threats, we are redefining email security. Recognized as category leader by GetApp in 2023 and consistently certified by the Libraesva Bulletin, our numerous achievements speaks by themselves. Our email security gateway examines every incoming and outgoing message, analyzing threats in real time to block malware, phishing, and ransomware. With our adaptive trust engine, we learn communication patterns, and we are detecting anomalies, stopping business email compromise even before they can cause harm to the businesses. Now, think of an email server like the door of your house. Without protection, it's like leaving the door wide open for thieves or threat actors. Libraesva acts like a vigilant bodyguard at the door, carefully checking every visitor. Now, as we mentioned in our most recent research, the Reality Gap, over half of the United States IT security professionals were not prioritizing email security, despite 9 out of 10 experienced a successful attack in the last quarter. We stand out because our focus on customer service and attention to detail. At Libraesva, we give a lot of time to our customer needs and ensure their peace of mind. Our numerous awards and mention, especially on the Frost Radar 2024, are a testament to our excellence and dedication. Today, nearly 4,000 customers globally trust us, from prestigious organizations like the Vatican to government agencies worldwide. And iconic brands like Prada, Valentino, and Beretta, they choose us because we deliver unmatched protection and professionality. With Libraesva, they are getting a truly exceptional email security.